Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we have a very special item that is installed in the BMW. I finally got the Bluebus unit to work on my BMW E46. Now I know this is a long time coming and I've been working on this project for quite some time now, but I finally got it repaired. Long story short, for some odd reason I short-circuited it and it kind of fried the board. I had to talk to Ted, the owner of Bluebus, and he graciously provided me with another unit. I already got this installed. Everything is in working order so far. I want to show you how to install it, how it works, and what functionality there is. So with that being said, I'm going to rewind a little bit just to show you what I have been doing and what I did to get everything to work. So let's rewind a little bit and take a look. Now, I already took a few days to install this. I got the Bluebus unit hooked up in the trunk. It does work via Bluetooth, but with the cherry on top, I wanted Bluetooth phone capabilities. What that entails is running through the telephone power wire all the way to the back and the top of the microphone, to the OEM microphone, and also to the back of the stereo. I already worked my way, tucked many of the wires onto the side of the door frames, and got the gray wire to the OEM microphone. Let me tell you, it was very, very tedious, and if I was to do it again, I would definitely lean towards not to. I'm gonna see if it works and if it's worth it in the end, but I definitely think that doing this takes a lot of patience. And over time, the fabric on these pillars, A-pillars, the microphone center console area, the glue tends to deteriorate and the fabric starts to come apart from the unit itself. So definitely is not fun. What we're gonna do today is install the last piece to the puzzle. We have to fish this underneath the center console and to the back of the radio unit. Now, I'm definitely gonna take my time. Maybe there's gonna be a time lapse to show you what's going on, but I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. Oh my God, I got it. Finally got this wire underneath the carpet and onto the center console. I had to take off the seat and I had to lift up the carpet a little bit forcefully, but I just kept on feeding the wire through this middle part and eventually it got through. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reinsert the seat. It's very dirty right there. I'm gonna probably vacuum it and yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. Okay, wrapping up today's session. I finally got the telephone wire underneath the carpet, underneath the center console, underneath the shifter trim. Now next I have to just take away all these other bits and pieces and get it behind the radio. And then we should be good for testing. Stay tuned. Okay, now that you are all caught up, let's take a look at how the unit works and how it behaves. It's actually a very, very good mod to have in your BMW E46 if you don't already have something that is catering to your, my dash cam. Okay, I get it. Okay, so like I said, this is a very great unit to have if you don't have a unit that already caters to your phone calls and Bluetooth streaming services. So let's quickly take a look at how this unit works and I'll walk you through all the functionalities because this unit is packed with good stuff. So let's take a look. Okay, so as you can recognize, this is the OEM business radio CD unit. Turn on the radio. You have, of course, your radio and your FM. I'm not going to turn up the volume just because I'm scared that YouTube is going to strike me for copyright laws. So if you press the mode button, you get to your Bluetooth interface. So right now I am playing a song that I'm not supposed to play to you guys because, like I said, copyright. But the Bluebus has a very, very special functionality that comes with it. So let's run through that quickly right now. So from what I remember, number 4, I believe it's settings. So right now in settings, when you press it, first one is metadata. This allows you to choose how you want your information to be displayed. I selected chunk because I want chunks of information to come out. You can select party or you can select none. So let's try it out. You use these navigation buttons to go left or right. So let's select this, and then once you select it, you could turn it off. You could go party or you can go chunk. So number 2 is to confirm, saved, go next. You have autoplay, so when you turn off and on your car, your I guess Spotify or whatever Apple Music you're using will automatically play. Cycling through, you have DSP. Now I'm not 100% sure what DSP is, but it's not equipped at the moment. You have lower volume. Now the lower volume right now is on. I believe it means that when you are, yes, when you're in reverse. So you could turn it on or off. And then hands-free if you have telephone capabilities. I obviously have it on. I have mic gain. This is to adjust your mic levels. You have the call volume. Right now you could select call volume on or off. You could definitely have the offset to be plus or minus. And you have call mode. Not 100% sure what call mode is, but I'll get back to you. But right now I have it as a default. And then you have, of course, comfort blink. This is one of my favorites. So for those people who want to upgrade their LCM to have triple blink, the Bluebus allows you to have triple blink or quadruple blink. Right now I have it set it as 3, but you could cycle through it. You could go 4, 3, 2, or 1, or 0. So right now I have it at 3. I'm gonna save it. Going through the last bit, we have parking lamps. You could turn your parking lamps on and off. That's amazing. Comfort locks, I already have it coded on my GM5 module, so that is already in there. And comfort unlock, you could unlock either one door or all doors. I have that as I have it coded already in my GM5 module, so the Bluebus, I am not going to fiddle around with it. And then you have the FW, I think this is the firmware or serial number. There you go. This is the serial number, so that's obviously not needed right now. So you could also clear pairing if needed. But yeah, so there you have it. These are the settings within the Bluebus, and it's just such an amazing product to have in your E46 if you don't have Bluetooth or telephone capabilities. This is amazing. Once again, you go into settings. Number 4 is your settings. Number 5, I believe it'll check your paired devices. Number 6 is to clear your paired devices, and these plus and minus are volume buttons. And on top of that, you could use your steering wheel buttons to cycle through different tracks, which is amazing. Once again, this is a product that is a must-have if you own a classic BMW. And of course, you have your other modes too. You have your CD, your aux, and then ultimately your radio. Now let's test out the phone call capabilities and see how it fares. I'm gonna call up someone. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna call up someone right now. I'm not gonna show any numbers, but I'm gonna call someone. All right, it's calling. There's Bluebus right there. Okay, let's test it out. Hey, do you hear me? Okay, I'm just calling in the BMW and I wanted to see if you could hear me. I'm recording too, so yeah. You hear? Is it clear? Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, so there you have it. That was a phone call between me and my wife, and as you can tell, it's pretty clear. She could hear me, I can hear her. I still think I need to fiddle around with the settings a little bit. I feel like the call volume is a little bit quiet. I think I need to up that setting in the Bluebus. But that could be solved with just turning up the volume or lowering the volume. But aside from that, everything works and everything is just so good. I think this is definitely one of the best mods I have to date. It's just so convenient. It just allows me to connect my phone wirelessly to the BMW E46, and it's something that should have been done like a long time ago. I think the only pain point about this is if you have a pre-faced car like mine. Now, mine didn't come pre-wired with the telephone and Bluetooth capabilities, so I had to, like you saw in the video, I had to fish the lines from the trunk, underneath the carpet, onto the back of the radio, and of course over the headliner as well to connect to the OEM microphone. That was the only thing that was very painful about this install, but aside from that, this mod is a banger, like I said. And if you have any questions or concerns, please hit me up and I will definitely try my best to answer to your questions. Well, with that being said, that is all for today, folks. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought about today's video and what you think about the Bluebus. If you haven't already done so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channels. It really helps me a lot in the long run. Until then, see you next time.